Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well and welcome to my channel English Fluency Lab, where I help you improve your English language skills. Friends, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the difference between the three words there, they are and they are. Now as you can notice, the pronunciation of these three words is more or less the same, and at times it can be very confusing for some English language learners as to what is the right use of these three words. So let us get started with the video right away. So friends, first of all, let us start with the word there, which is spelt as T-H-E-R-E. Now there is an adverb that means in or at that place. It tells you about a particular direction. So let's understand this with a few examples. You don't need to go to the market. I went there yesterday and got all the groceries we needed. So it is telling you about the particular direction, not to go to the market, right? So it's talking about a particular direction. Number two, have you been to London? I want to go there this year. Again, it is talking about a particular direction. This person wants to go to London. Number three, I want my new TV to be placed there. Again, a particular direction, maybe in a corner, maybe in some corner of the room, but he wants his TV to be placed there. So the first use of the word T-H-E-R-E, which is pronounced as there, is an adverb, and it talks about in or at that place, and it talks about a particular direction. So I hope that is clear. The second use of the word there, which is again T-H-E-R-E, is a pronoun. There is also used as a pronoun that introduces the subject of a sentence or a clause. Let me repeat that. It is also used as a pronoun that introduces the subject of a sentence or a clause. Now let us understand this also with an example. There are too many stray dogs here. Now stray dogs is the subject and there is talking about the stray dogs. There is a chance that I will get a promotion this year. Now there is talking about the subject I, right? There is a chance that I will get a promotion this year. Number three, there is a cat sleeping under the table. Again, there is talking about the subject cat. So you see the second use of the word there, it is a pronoun that introduces the subject of a sentence or a clause. So first use is an adverb and the second use is a pronoun. Now let us understand the meaning of the word there, right? There is a slight pronunciation difference between two. T-H-E-R-E is pronounced as there and T-H-E-I-R is pronounced as there. Now there is the possessive case of the pronoun they, meaning belonging to them. It tells you about the ownership, about something. Now let's understand with some examples. The employees brought their laptops to the meeting. Their laptops means that the laptops belong to the employees. The children played with their presents on Vishal's birthday. Okay, so all the children had presents and the children played with their presents. It is talking about the ownership. Their house is situated in the heart of the city, right? Their house. It is talking about the owner. They own the house and maybe they have it on rent, but it's their house. It's talking about the ownership. So there is the possessive case of the pronoun, meaning belonging to them. It talks about ownership. So that is the meaning of the word T-H-E-I-R, which is pronounced as there. Now let us understand the meaning of the word they are, right? Now this is a contraction. There is a contraction of the words they and are, and as you can see in the heading out here, it is a combination of two words, they and are. Let's take a few examples. They are cousins. It is short for they are cousins. They are coming to the meeting is the same as they are coming to the meeting. Now let us take some mixed examples of all the three words. Let us take there first. There is a new restaurant opening in town next week. I put my keys over there on the kitchen counter. So this is the use of the word there. Now let's understand they are. Their cat always sleeps on the windowsill in the afternoon. The children took their bikes to the park to play. Okay, we talked about ownership. So there is talking about ownership out here. They are going to the movie theater tonight to see the new action film. You can write this as they are, two separate words. I can't believe they are already starting school next week. Again, you can rewrite this sentence by they and are. I can't believe they are already starting school next week. So these are examples of the word there, there, and they are. So friends, I hope the meaning of these three words is clear now. Now what I would like you to do is, I would like you to practice writing two sentences each with the words there, and they are. Put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to provide you with some feedback. So friends, if you have liked this video, please give me a like, please subscribe to my channel, and please do press the bell because I keep coming up with videos like these to help you improve your English language skills. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.